Best positions for female orgasms. 1. Sit to stand. Step-by-step instructions to do it. Overlay the top portion of your body over the bed, on your back. Have your accomplice remain behind you and enter you from behind. You can keep your legs on the floor or fold them over your accomplice's midsection. Why we love it. I genuinely scorn any position that requires work, so sit to stand is my go-to. My beau cherishes it since he doesn't need to work that hard since he's standing and pushing. I like bringing a vibe into it, says Julie, 25. 2. Doggy style. Step-by-step instructions to do it. Jump on every one of the fours. Have your accomplice enter you from behind. You can carry a finger vibe to use with one hand for additional incitement. Why we love it. Doggy style takes into consideration you or your accomplice to stretch around and invigorate your clitoris, says Polly Rodriguez, sex master and Chief of Unbound. Doggy style remains my fave for heaps of reasons. There's something excessively carnal about it. I mean, clearly. Thus, the name that just makes me feel filthy positively when I'm doing it in this position. And I love that the position lets either my accomplice or me or whatever new toy I'm giving it a shot include some clit incitement in with the general mishmash, says essayist Danielle Page, 29. 3. Lotus. The most effective method to do it. Have your accomplice sit up on the bed. Lower yourself on top with a goal that you are confronting one another. This close position gives you a chance to shake to and fro for ideal clitoral incitement. Why we love it. I love the amazing way close lotus feels. I can kiss my accomplice and get a great deal of pound activity against my clit. It's the best. Brianna, 31, lets us know. 4. Lift administer. The most effective method to do it. Lie on your back with your legs open and put 2 pads under your butt. The additional lift will make entering you simpler for your accomplice and gives you much required G-spot and clitoral incitement. Why we love it. I love teacher since I love feeling a man over me. Aaron Esteresk, 27, lets us know. At the point when I put a couple of cushions under my butt, I'm ready to adjust my pubic issue that remains to be worked out accomplice's pelvis, says Grace Asterisk, 31. This is called coital arrangement procedure, and it makes for simpler climax. 5. Cowgirl. The most effective method to do it. Jump over your accomplice like a cowgirl. Stir up your moves among granulating and bigger pushes. You can use a finger vibrator over extra clitoral incitement. This can help make climax simpler. Why we love it. When you are on top, you have more authority over clitoral contact and contacting yourself, Rodriguez lets us know. I like straddling him on the lounge chair while he's practically sort of slumping, and I can spread my legs sufficiently wide to granulate my clit on his pelvis, says Candace, 23. 6. Level doggy. The most effective method to do it. Lie on your stomach, legs shut, and have your accomplice enter you from behind. This interpretation of the exemplary doggy style position makes climax simpler by taking into account G-spot incitement. It likewise eases the heat off you, as you get the opportunity to rest on your stomach and unwind. Why we love it. Me and my beau are of now cherishing doggy style, however low to the bed, like my hips at an insensitive edge, with my legs shut between his. I like it since I like having the option to feel his entire body over mine, and Doggy is extraordinary on the grounds that he can hit the G-spot. Having my legs shut just improves every one of the sensations for the two of us since it makes me more tightly, says Gabby, 22. 7. Open-legged spoon. Step-by-step instructions to do it. Rather than lying on your side like you would a great spoon, lie on your back and spread your legs. Have your accomplice lie on their side and enter you from underneath. Why we love it. This position is stunning for apathetic individuals like me. I get to simply lie back and utilize a vibrator on my clit, without stressing over whatever else. I additionally love the delightful way attractive I look from this point with so little exertion, says Maria *, 32. It's simple for me to come like this since I realize I look extraordinary, which makes me feel certain. I realize he adores it as well, since he gets to simply lie there and push.